Hi. Um, as you know, I'm a big Harbor Freight fan, and they just keep sending me coupons. And I've needed a drill press for a while, and so I've been looking at them over there, and I've checked other YouTube videos and other recommendations and anything like that. And it seemed like a pretty good buy for what it was and for what I'm going to use it for. So I went, and when I got a coupon for one, I didn't get the smallest one, I got one that was a little bit bigger. But anyway, I'm going to do an unboxing video and then later put it together. Anyway, here it is. It's the 10-inch, 12-speed drill press. Anyway, it's a 10-inch, 12-speed drill press. You can get a coupon. I got it for 109 bucks. Owner's manual. I got to clean all that up. Here's the drill platform. It's not as thin as I thought it would be, but not as thick as I would like it to be, but that'll work. It's just looks like pressed sheet metal, but thick, not a casting. Handle. Another couple handles. The base. Greasy. Some kind of the chuck. Some odd small parts. Everything there. Not too bad. Lots of lubricant on it. And then the main unit. Everything in the box. I don't think it'd be that hard to put together. This is a nice little electric motor to it. Nice little belt system to change gears. For the different RPMs. That's actually better than I thought it would be. Anyway, that's all the basic parts in here. Got a removable lock key. I guess I'll study the directions a bit and see if I can't put this together real quick. Anyway, thanks for watching. Tune in for the things aim weird. Tune in for the assembly video. Thanks.